Now, after all these things, Shadiabano, yes, Papa, we are friend Kofi Juma, with Jimmy Bruta, yeah, delete uploading. Papa, we with Jimmy Bruta, your friend Kofi Juma, Akwawe, obey mayor of Kumasi. When you're 8 into offer ace a draw, Kofi Juma, Neba, Eware, Ekufuado Baba. Now, open Omomia careless. In penifo Munimunyansa, where Jimmy Power Santimema way or number 1, Kofi Juma, where Jimmy Chan or Chia woo. Yadi GIHOC mano. Say on share GIHOC so. Na GIHOC now no better yano. On to me ye. Na Sebio Ninchimba Emenya Jumani Binyane Fan Boagana. Kwasi ampenyi way the GIHOC edane ajantra for joint. Otse committee. Ena na otifie. Ena committee no. Ena we Juma na omutia ne ka 10 times. For about 4 years na on 2 NC GIHOC. Kwasi ampenyi way. Me upo obi a me munu o Ghana ne ho am tan we Jimmy a Kofi Juma. Akwa we. Upe polit kromfo akwa ne ka se Kufuor will be a terrible president. Akwa we. Ne ho tan wa saketia. Ne ho tan. Ne ho tan. Akwa we de be di mayor Kumasi a or started to do Kumasi street or the budget kakraka be so Kufuor time. Oba or area also boulevard ko Santa ko Asafo. Na nipa 99,000 omotia Asafo buni ma de FN boulevard. Otumiba also away a Fox Street. Na Otutut Street tan because the nya santifodi bi dudu ni enkurase fo montia se. Kakran Kufuor de be president. And akwa we ekose GIHOC. And Kufuor started investigating no. Krono a obon wo GIHOC. Kasa owiaye. Senia or the ajantra for star line wo ho a otumi je Mike as the CEO. Etumi ka kire in Kofi ne adwumafo nya se me de me ajantre ni o. Me de me di ma kwasi ampanyi wei ne ati asantimemu so ne so ade ye friend Kofi Juma aboyi ade anyansa na wo sa Jimmy fo we tirimu a ye tena Ghana ka se we ye panyini wo de Mike wo dwuma no aka kire ajantra fo ma na odi om se me di ma pa me di ma satan ati asantimemu obi antuma ka se papa wo ye Jimmy ne ensesa no e na otena GIHOC e na obon ntohwem e di nya 8 e di nkwasi asem abaya sesa ne ye hwehwe ne nsemu. And the Kofi investigating. But you see, MP before any pebia, the moment on the boneno, all started to go after them, then they tried to make it to say, oh, victims. You are under investigations. Say, Yokoba Ufie so omo ba be search. Now omo the warrant, but no more punumu ganganya, be no murem. But the moment you try to prevent law enforcement, omo authority or warrant to search you, now, so what tries to over prevent your man? The law gives them the room or the chance, or the law gives them the authority to conduct that search. In the end, security operatives raid MPP Maxo Kofi Juma's home in Kumasi. Omangasa asasi radio na report here. Na Maxo Kofi Juma no time yoko for bad if you no. Omo ba no obi epono no ma so we mbie pono na amomo. And you see, moment here so obe som man no. Now say you are under investigations. Now say the investigative team eba give them the room to do the warrant no search. The moment you try to prevent them from doing their job, they will do things you might not like. And the sense of entitlement no and no what ye nuanu bi ejimi fo bi say mutrim. Amadrium say me de Kumasi obi anim me de na me ye mayor me de obi anim say me ba ware Kufuor ba me de na me obi anim say bi adwuma ge kwasea emra na ne wudi enya wo a yenim wo Kumasi na Kumasi ugina soro a wo he Kumasi nya bebia it do some time amom yambre nwase ne antia say emra na ye de adwuma o Ghana say law enforcement agency ana law enforcement for ba ofie say omo be conduct the investigations to search your house. Na Eden Ayoko to me sorry keke say Ghana yenya Jimmy bia anko fi anko search ni say you are under investigations. And it's almost allow them look at the warrant and let them do their search. But the moment you try to prevent them, thinking say you want public sympathy, you want the MPP raccoons to come and speak on social media for you, it will not change the work they came to do. Because say NDC ni MPP ni radio so tiem na o kan kwase asem na o say ye buyo yet it will not change the investigation. The investigation, it will still go on. It is how Jimmy Fowe, they need to investigate him. So some cost 100 times a day. They need to search his house 100 times a day. Or you come for Asantifoni and Kanokre, Sanke Kanokre pa, Kobia near Santimemo Bedia Kwa, Obedino, Obekan was and Papada. Omun so Jimmy Fowe. They all know. But only say Asantini, Yansi and Tumagufi wa Bontene. Edi Kofi Juma, Jimmy Fowe, or Jimmy, near Katakataso. Kofi Juma Jimmy ne kata so adan a yensi tumagufi wa abontene na hwan na mesiri den wa abontene ma wo na ka ho asem so I believe say Yokofo, if they have to go search this guy 10,000 times, they need to go there. Obia yebe search ufie the moment security agency beba no make sure warrant no let them in. So if you don't have anything to hide, let them come in. Let them go inside and do their search. Because Ghana for kobe 34 million. I didn't think a PKC about search. And you know already, you are under arrest. You have been given bail. They are doing their investigation. So what's the big deal here? Ojen say, more to social media can say, yako search obia and some stupid statement. Oh, Rambo style. And they have gone to somebody's house for Rambo style. Hey, more when you check Norris style. Rambo put a son on chat time on in Wurum no nam. And your body to ana or the jashim. Modia Monshada who jet Li style that. Monshada who Tompo, who Kilasu me style. Modia was a Rambo style. And they went to read a Rambo style. A bedroom pempenso, a bedroom cyborg style. Unim cyborg style. Munya who be that. Mu yes carry din kwasi asem ye na ye busamo asem na ye totoma na nambo mu Jimmy kekan kwasi asem say ye nyini. Na tama okuta mic or GIHOC ka say wudi ma no na woni so nyini. Nipa fun say oya santini nti en kana asem and papa Peyitoto or Jimmy no Ghana for a very long time. This man has been fooling and he needs to go to jail and die in jail. I come for now there's this story making headlines we need to talk about. It's got to do with this guy called Michael Ochibefi. And a year constituency or war. We decided to say the regional minister no he will you see Mamika Bibicha Ghana for me akwa metie me ma me awunani ana igbeni however you want to say it me ma me free denu me papa efri ayeldo oyemfantini me akwa metie me nchen asantini bia wo Ghana me nchen bununi bia wo Ghana fantini bia ni Ghana ochen enzemani bia wo awunani bia ni Ghana ochen bununi ana ochen asantini. The same way asantini bia ni Ghana ochen awunani ana ochen bunini ana ochen kuapimni ana ochen enkrani bia ni wa ochen zmani. And let us get these things right. Tribe bia ni Ghana is superior, no tribe. You can be superior in your own head. And it is always good to feel big in your own shoes. But you feeling big in your shoes does not mean you are bigger than somebody. It is never possible. Now, we need to be clear about it. Recently, Omeki comment to be about the original minister, or a hard-working lady, or Ghanaian, and it's very important. The reason why I mean Peba Umiasem or Nene Yirbe before than training us and say they are very tribalistic. When Baumia about Ghana politics, I didn't have an issue with him. Until 2024, he started being tribal. He started using religion to do politics. And then the mommy timed Baumia and maintain to say as a person, I hate his style of politics. So another person, I mean Penasem crowd Ghana politics and Mustafa Hamid. And I've said this continuously on my show. Anybody who tries to use tribe and religion to do politics, I despise you. Mustafa Hamid, sir, or Frina or Mozambique and Kenya Yankwano. That is the beginning of politics. And you see, there are people in Ghana. the NPP as a political party, from Titino, that is how the party was built. Party, they actually they put the party together. The base of the party, the mentality and ideology behind the party, it's about tribe in Yimu. NPP, Jimmy, it does not matter the age of an NPP person. When it comes to tribal politics, when it comes to Yimu, when it comes to trying to denigrate people to feel superior, that is the party, the party. Now, this guy has made some statement to be, I'm a crop for him for the constituency. And that area, they have come out to tell this man, say, statement na omeki, a statement denigrating a group of people who are also Ghanaians first. And it's denigrating a regional minister who is working in the interest of Ghana. For a member of parliament, what's not parliament? I say preko, yeah? Why is a preko? You have the experience to understand the say, Kasebu wa yenka. Now, the Krobo chiefs Ababontine and responded to this foolish idiot or friend or Chibefi on a year New Jabin South. MP no. Now, as some way no kind, and I'm going to respond to Sahan Kwasiadewe because the NPP is too foolish. Jimmy.
Baby, you don't do bia. Me na make a job. Me show omba. Se me show come so atom so. Say that be when we come. Oni pa ne dia no.
Mbo si ajama no.
Ne dia. Cause jam na mu see ye. Ye na see ye. Wo na be chere ye. Ye ka na regional minister no so. Se be ka fra che. Na wo regional minister. Wo na be chere ye nye okufodia. Wo okufodia ni. Na be chere ye. Na as regional minister. Wo regional minister wo fie bi no aba. Wo ye kroboni na wo fi krobo no aba okufodia. Wo be chere ye nye okufodia. You can't.
Reta kosia je no de man.
I would adi Yesu. So mu din se hu na ade abe yom wo ho. Ka tell say so mu din se hu na ono ne MC no. Ade abe yom okufodia no. Omunti. You see, enti no see ano, omo so ne wo.
You see, my man can be ansana mabo eye krobofo a omo that area no. I have for no response to this guy. Mamen Kabibi Emma a year MPP for Omo sa New Jabin South, Kofodia area on Tibiase. Sa Assassina Motesono. Assassin Kasa, the original owners of Assassino. Na a ye achim any equiapimne guans for the teso. Sa Assassina Motesona. Ochibe fi kwasi campaign wo opese o create impression bi say regional minister ne kroboni enti omu mbu krobofo no ma meka bibi nkire mo sa asase na moteso no e ya chimfo ekuapemfo ene guans na omo betena asase ne so modwabenfo na sebi omu bi madwene mo se mo ya asantefo no you should understand this asase na nya dwabenfo asase enti se mo betena TV so ana radio so na mote wona mo ya mo nkwasi politics na mo MPP fo na sa mo dwaben fo na mo ho no you should understand say mo ankasa no enye hompo na mo free yes eye kuapemfo guans ene eye achemfo omo na mo sa asase ne so mo dwabenfo mo sa mo ya asantefo ene gine sa wokọ sa constituency na sa wo hwe sibi omo to aba na dwabenfo no mo ho no it does not matter eye impuntu Juma NDC be no omo mentality be say ya asantefo nti we are superior than krobofo mo ha we are superior than any other tribe into ko ho na enkwasiade omo mu bi ye no sa na omo ye no ho basanka wo hwe ma omo no mo ye the lesser tribe omo krampo na omo ya hoho e wo sa asase ne so. So this fool like this trying to denigrate the regional minister because of a kroboni no o si bi o kan no o say kroboni kwasi ampanyi na sa asase no ye say eye dwabenfo dia. So history no go back and check the people who came to build that land before mo adwene am say ye dwabenfo ye de ye chi asantefo no so mo nchi asantefo mo kwa santememu. But you see the stupidity of some of you people no mo de sa area ho no mo pese mo bu krobofo so mo nya nipa asase ne kikire ne krobofo ne kikire asase no hard working people e was sa area e krobofo. But you see, We are not supposed to do these things because nipa netwo you live in harmony. Krobofo aware adwabinfo ekwapinfo aware krobofo achimfo aware. So you, as a leader, you don't talk like a pig. But if you really want to go down, mu dwabinfo na mu musa mu asantefo a mu tirimu no mu begin say mu ye nipa, because you see, for a very long time sa dwabinfo no they have never respected krobofo no. In terms say a whole regional minister, you saw the way this pig was referring to her, or no kroboni. Na kwasi ampenyi, wona also ya dwabini no, uni baby free. Because assassin na wote so no, na ekuapem ni achimfo ene guans na neti assassin so. Ansa na mo de mo pata pa ba ho. Enti ye kampa assassin kwampo no wo ye hoho. Now krobofo ahemfo no are responded to sa prekowi. Let's go listen to them.
After independence was Emmanuel Tete Kwabo of blessed memory, under whose instrumentality Koforia received massive development. Major retired Tete, also a son from the land, was minister of the region. We also announce to you that Nene Sakite II, paramount chief of Manyakoro, is currently serving as the president of the Eastern Regional House of Chiefs. It is important making statements that promote divisiveness and instead champion unity and peaceful coexistence. Failure of which we shall activate lawful actions to draw national attention to what we consider as backward. And
you see, these people are informing Krobofona Ombekasa. They never spoke against anybody. Omo Krampona Yakaseti Omono. Omo this year Krampo regional minister no. Upon all the insult, Akwasiampe was a preco, Ekatre Krobofono. They didn't come out insulting the guy. They were still calling for harmony, us living together as one people. But we say, wait, Jimmy. Me say, and now go for your area where. So I drop him for the mentality they say, yes, anti-for. Enti, omono, ubetuma go for Yesu. A baby, be a momo. They have the MPP mentality say, yeni pacha omomo. So, ukowa, they see other tribes, so omo yankwasi afom no nipa. And nitina a whole MP. Obedi so ontumi nya ade ba akopɔ ho enso utumi omu dwabin for the bi omu agim no, they still vote for this idiot because omu timu no we die oya dwabini into oya nipa chen kroboni onim nyansa na akwa we on a normal day. How can he compare himself to the regional minister? Kwasiawe on 2 occasions, election occasions, okachre dwabin for say, oh me nko biom edu 2 days me akoto about simpenifo afreme ohun so omu agimi because sorry no akwa wedding. Oh sorry, no akwa yie. Echire obi enka say, oh ye jollof no akotena ase. The politics no ye no sa no ye no. Kwase bi ye no akotena ase. Kwase bi engagement no akotena ase. On for development mba, on for hwemba. Ena dwabinfo bi no omagimi no. Almost sorry, where they nipa. They don't look for people who are ready to work and help the place. Iti omutimuno regional minister ne oba osaye kroboni nko they will never respect her upon the obeying nyina no matter what this woman would do for these people no sa dwabinfo ni bi adwene omoso mo ya asantefo into omo ye nipa chen krobofo na omokofodia, and that is what is playing out. And no na kwasia we entumi ankansha obetena TV so a boldly okachire regional minister say ono kroboni no kwasia na wo ye hwan kwasiampani te say wo enya politics a wo when na wo chen wo eye sa asase no so because asase na nkasa eye guans ekuapemfo ene achemfo na ete so mo eye den mo eye dwabemfo a mo se mo ye dwabemfo sa mo ye asantefo mo tunku asantefo kuro mo but you see These are not things we have to be doing because MPP no more Jimmy. And still, ubenya nipa mama ko to abama or chinwe Jimmy Fowe, the Oyana say, a wedding not yasia, a year not yasia, Soroku not yasia, Weba will not yasia, on from Puntuba, Anna, or more Jimmy Sudinechi. Into who Obano, the regional minister is intimidating him because Nyan said that Obani Timno, any Juma or Yeno, or Mana who said and Torre than Netono. Why is a preco on them news grabbing south war? And Tosha a bon and antemon. Why say preco Yasano and on a new grabbing? No fu any hypertension a jareno or Niminyan Sebia on for Bibia Messi. But say, we a politician, no Niminyansa. Now, Ujidi say, Nipa Omoto constituency, no, there are different kinds of people, different tribes. You don't make such a reckless statement. But over the day, Ubehu MPP ni not baby no defend because it is politics. Ubehu MPP ni ba small boy, small girl, papa paying toto na o defend kwasiye kase o kanye all because of politics. And then the Bamkacha Ghana for say MPP for muso omo Jimmy. Mun study omo kwara ni omo Jimmy. Momo be 10 years in Kanomo Bodam. That is the NPP. On a normal day, you don't have to get any rational human being going out there to call this guy my member of parliament. Never. But you see, politics necessary, dynamics necessary, the education it is not about where you are from. It is not about the religion you join. It is about what you bring to the table. The regional minister na edien na odeba table no so regional minister na adwenu papa ben na odeba impunto bi ho na obeto so edie adwuma die na odi. These are the things we have to sit and look at. Edien na odeba nti if the woman is coming na oye kroboni oye tani oye anwunani na se odimpunto ba, why should a member of parliament Kwasi Ampenyi say to me better radio so ka say ono kroboni no na buofunu dwabeni o chan kroboni Kwasi Ampenyi tribe ni ben na Ghana or chan kroboni. Udwabe informa na omo efe chen krobo forma. Asam na abantira. Na kaide na dwabeni kasa ne ho efe chen kroboni. Asam na aba politics na ye tan e na ye mumusu ye giminti. Ama nipa bi abom ho abumfia ala nkwasiafo bi a omo ya manfrafo abeje o masase aboso. Because mo ba asase no so no na krobo for so that the disrespect. The disrespect. And ye didi mwa de babedru ama members of parliament adani nyan. There are so many sellers. Your community sinkitikiti, tribes sinkitikiti akwasia we every election year no otwa mama betwama no. Kwasia mpanyi we etumi ko sa constituency no. Yati dwabe mfo nkwa na tuma na enya dwabe mfo nkwa. Krobofo tuma no. Ye we kwapimfo mo hotuma no. Achimfo kwasia we na mukrom we ende odi krobofo atem. Election time duru a oba be gina ka say oh munyina ye eyi krofo diafo mombra ne ankoto aba ne anfa MPP mra aboa. Election year no na mo na obusa oh munyina mombra ye nipa baako. And when you go there, that is what they do. Go to New Sub-Jabin South. Settlers, Central Koforudia, Ukosa areas, go and see the different tribes. And so, Kwasiawe, as a member of parliament, we be and say, no, Kroboni, no, Kwasia, na Krobofoni, no more, Kasamon to Abamoa, who you send people to me, Unipa. Kwasiam Penny. Okowa your suburbs baby communities baby your baby a friend Trom your baby a friend Agavenia and Lot Town. These are all settling towns. Some of them sa and Lot Town no any sa ekurama boy Trom any diaka ikano omu nyina but together no beto aba makwasia we. But you see ene ono agasa eyi no to wa mo mu nyina tia say omu omu so mu ye nipa omu obi a onya dwabini se onya nipa kwasia 2024 uko jina kwa campaign 2028 nkwasiafo mu di nipa beko se ye nyina ye nipa baako mu krobofo nyina mo mbra metuma MPP ye be kai omo kwasiato ye be kai krobofo no ye be kai ahonafo no ye be kai gwanfo no ye be kai other tribes omo wo constituency wo se mu nkwasiafo ka so mu nya nipa inwan mu tie MPP no man se moa man se ntwamoa. You don't think selective kind of politics na bebia wodui wo fi we no ho yare ugina wa aisa ankore nipa fit sa wo ye adankoma so de miensa obetwa hwe kwasempa yiwe oye adankoma so de 5 obewu na obono be se o kire nipa bi se ebimu ye o kire bi se ebimu ye lesser human beings. But we are here Ono na catch 2024 say oh ahemfo bi na kasa we de onko biem yete ha me akọ manyina che ye twen kwasea we the time will come ye be remind no ye be ma MPP fo ate ase say krobofo omo news Dwabin South omo Koforidua awonafo no mo ho no guans no mo ho no other tribes no omo nya kwasiafo because omo koto abama mu wi meka say na awonafo kwasiafo na krobofo kwasiafo we are here time no duru a ye be kai omo kwasiafo aka. So get this in your head. Now mommy and twaso there's this jandama I want us to kill, and it is about Sammy Awuku. Sammy Awuku is a young politician. And so we study Sammy Awuku very well. Or one diabolic politician. What he does is say, why say anomako kone oko hunu nsuo. Now abefia beka say wan eko hunu nsuo. You see, time na Sammy Awuku eye NPP National Youth Organizer no. Sa time na enibie pansha da mbaye. The young people of Ghana could not fact check people, could not analyze statements. So people like Sammy Awuku, they got it so easy. And it's at a point now, a man for between says Sammy Awuku was a good national youth organizer. No, it was because it was that system was very weak. Anybody could get away with any nonsense. And that is how Sammy Awuku became NPP4, where the youth organizer. One of the most timid youth organizers of the NPP is Sammy Awuku. But you see, time Sammy Awuku be a youth organizer of the NPP, no. Now Ghana as a nation, no. Now Jandam now build out to the point that people did not really want the MDC in power. Until he made his Jandam and his lies look like na no credit. Most of the young people are not this Sammy Awuku, you know, they worked on their own. It wasn't because Sammy Awuku carries some aura. He never had it. Sammy Awuku is not a politician who can stand before you for you to feel said where the aura be one ho okuta charisma bia. He is somebody you can believe. It was Sammy Awuku time and or NPP National Youth Organizer. That was when Nana Opoku-Agyeman, the vice president today, introduced the idea say we should start distributing sanitary pads to lower schools enkwara omubu omonsano omubetumi de den omubetumi de esiesi omo. Sammy Awuku at that point as a young man na odimba echi edimma tatankofo girlfriends no obetena TV so catch the Ghana say John Mahama ne NDC at the part no kwa koye duro. You see, it was because the system was weak. We could not question people's intelligence. We could not sit and question them about the statements they made. It daft, timid, people like Sammy Awuku were able to go through the cracks without people questioning their level of intelligence. Now, as time went on, people got to know Sadabi. These were people we thought to say, they are smart. But you see, sometimes when somebody with one eye, when he finds himself, he's find himself or herself with people without eye, those people are seen as the light or the brilliant people or the messiahs. And that is what happened when Sammy Awuku became the national youth organizer of the NPP. Because majority of the people don't know the young people like Nana Bimo, most of them were daft. So they could not believe, say, Sammy Awuku, they were supposed to, at that point, automatically rally behind him and say the best national youth organizer. But so who analyzing this check his level of reasoning, consistency in when it comes to contributing on floor of parliament or even national discourse, you could see say he's flat. That's the fact. The Abwa Sammy Awuku is he's very good at paying media. When Sammy Awuku got into politics, when he became the national youth organizer, his prime job was to make sure he sorted the media well. And it's a what study. Sammy Awuku in politics, Odi Bone, Okodi Obiyire, Oyesika Kra. Hardly do you hear the media get on him because he adopted that strategy of paying every media house. It is Sammy Awuku's political life, it has always been about pay to go through. It is recently Naman 4 started analyzing Sammy Awuku say, is this guy as credible? Oniminyansa sa. Sometimes, or to me contribute to Obusan say, is this the Sammy Awuku people were making noise about to say he is so consistent and smart? It's the same way as Kojo Ponkruma. First, I know T radios, so many Ghanaians thought Opon Nkrumah was intelligent. But once recently, when he sit down and you listen to him, he's a true and poor big head. He is not smart, he's not intelligent, but it is because it is the MPP. Anytime I can say there are so many people in the MPP, only executives are, they will not even get a year shoe whoop power NDC. I'm telling you for a fact. There are so many people who became national executives in the MPP. In the NDC, they will not even get a shoe shiners NDC, and it is clear. So gradually, we are beginning to see say MPP for we, even the young ones are more foolish than the old ones. Now, Sammy Awuku has started some jandambi. And remember how Sammy Awuku got into parliament. We a kuwa or or dikoji a seat kuapim ho. Na onwane party munipa obano contest ya obey ku on crime say some people should go after her. Na onyane embran crime. It was Sammy Awuku's manipulation. That he did all that. Or you sue media to go after that lady because that lady money very uncomfortable with her. And then at the end of the day, they forced the lady out to come to Okankwe to come and contest. And until Sammy Awuku pressurizing lady na manifio. So it wasn't because Sammy Awuku was smart. It was because Sammy Awuku was making a lot of money at NLA. He was paying the chiefs and they started revolting against the lady. That is what Sammy Awuku did until he built a coup within. That is how Sammy Awuku got that equipping seat. It was not because Sammy Awuku is intelligent or brilliant. Sammy Awuku knew. So when you have parliamentary immunity, NLA contractor signing and a boy and Obeko jail. So he did the same thing Kingsley Agyemang did. And Odistikano Ekoto seat, But the lady was so stupid to the point say she was not supposed to leave that seat to come contest another seat in Rukankwe. So Sammy Awuku, he manipulated the seat. He manipulated the chiefs. He used money to build the coup or start a coup no equipping ho. And I started to him for and almost started tata and then he forced his party, national executives, to start going after the lady and telling the lady, say, why did she come to Accra to go search for another seat? Sammy Awuku manipulated the system from behind. I am telling you the NPP how they work. But power necessary, NPP for they are looking for scandal so badly. And you see, in politics, credibility is very important. The main reason Tia John Mahama, Ghana for Samano, another nod to lead Ghana is because John Dramani Mahama has been consistent. At a point we realize they say Ghana for who said they can take the word of John Mahama. They can trust John Mahama. Into credibility and consistency are very important in politics. Say, a politician na oye inconsistent. Otai chatro. Otai ewo idea bi say ode atro be da Ghana for na ebedu point na Ghana for be hu say sana what here you are done. And that is what Sammy Awuku dems are trying to do. They are trying to copy the Afenyomakin and the kinds now almost MPP to say about Omiamono. Like the idea and then they say chatro. And the more we chatro, the more the MPP base will come to like you. But at this point, I was Sammy Awuku like say say. If we are to that point, say you cannot just come, lie, and walk. That is terrible. As a member of parliament, I offer will say, oh dear, working kind, unim dear, unim nyansano. There are some basic things you don't do. You don't try to malign a government. Untumi sheden chatro say ube go abani masi because your political future ahead of you, the decision you make this today, and then the bed decided so politics, ube came and I say unkem. Sammy Awuku eya DB, and you see, Okotena City FM, and even before he went to sit on City FM, Okojina social media etwa to maritime authority so. He basically manufactured lies. He knew, say, Asamna Okano, it was a lie. But you see, he wanted to create scandal. He wanted to make sure, say, we go abandon mercy. Into the oya and say, he decided to create pieces of Onwani imagination and creating, say, a story. Kind courtesy, Omai Hene Kobina Sante Yere Eye Juma Maritime Authority. And the strategy is that MPP for person use Omai Hene Kobina Sante Yere to destroy the Maritime Authority and do what? And destroy the NDC government. And the NDC people, they know. Oma yene Kobna Santino Otia Sempano. Eya ono na MPP for using the Irena or Maritime Authority. The certification, any resume is questionable. No? Sa lady na MPP for using or Maritime Authority to try and disgrace the CEO, disgrace the leadership, and disgrace the government. And so what they are doing is say, Omayini Kobna Sante Irena or Maritime Authority, no, she is the one they are using. I need to bring her picture to show you people. Now, then, Sammy Awuku ye. Sammy Awuku in these few days has started a DB. From nowhere, Sammy Awuku said, "Watch letter come RTI." From nowhere, Sammy Awuku said, "Vessel be abatema." Na sa vessel no, abatema no, and a Maritime Authority for che vessel no. Na vessel no, na egruboni ne wom, na cocaine ne gum, and a on about social media, or about Facebook, and a on manipulating lies. Lies now manipulating, you know. When you read some part of the lies, and he posted this on his own page, Sammy Awuku, his own page. When he posted this, we read some part of it or see, GMA, Ghana Maritime Authority, is to find ships that are found to be non-compliant with the relevant regulations. GMA is also to take necessary measures to get non-compliant ships to remedy all identified deficiencies. Or say, oh, Ghana Maritime Authority for a yomo Juma no, a yoma sedia no, say ship be aba Ghana, or say ship no, embrabia or say film, and I say a year procedure be or say film no, or some making sure say, or my supervisor my ship no, after sa procedure no, ship be a befa Ghana biano, a Maritime Authority for Juma, DSA or some year, because or no or say or the committee be so parliament, muntie do I. Into our church and say, oh, under the watch of President John Dramani Mahama, you see. So right now, the idea is that opeso gu Mahama hu fin, opeso ogu NDC hu fin. In the article, no, he wants it to look like say under John Mahama no, a ship be another vessel be aba Ghana cocaine woman, Maritime Authority for Ashama ship na sako abra oman charge ship no. Sammy Awuku the start this idea with you. Now see under the watch of President John Mahama in July 2025, or see last year, TMA, or see last year, assembly see last year. Now under the watch of John Mahama, on politics omoye, en kwasiade we ya no maya de parliament. Only credibility, but show the reason why Sammy Awuku any credibility. Now he goes on to say this: a vessel MV Sankofa was in the waters of Ghana. That vessel was arrested by GMA for breaching almost all regulatory prescriptions. At the time of her arrest, the vessel was flying under the flag of Sao Tome. However, without any official records of how the GMA applied the sanctions prescribed by law for such breaches, the vessel was allowed to sail out of Ghana. In an interesting twist, this same vessel has been arrested in Senegal for allegedly transporting illicit drugs after it sailed from the shores of Ghana. In email correspondence between Senegal and Ghana, meaning he has the correspondence. Or patch say ship be befa Ghana ha. Na ship ne fa Sankofa. Na sa ship no NDC for na man ship ne befa ha. Na Maritime Authority for na making sure say ship no emra e wo say fam search e wo say fam nyina no. Omo sheda e no man hwe a ship no e de cocaine ana illicit drug bi efa Ghana ha koy na ship no na sebio South Tome for ship. Na o say ship na 2025 July no yes, our ship no eco pie Senegal no any a ship ne say ship no eye cocaine ni enumoni gum Sammy Awuku na eka o Sammy Awuku say sa ship na ba Ghana na ase ono na eka say NDC for jama ship no koye na ship no ekoche ship no Senegal na ship no na cocaine wom and the NDC 2025 July and asem we see na Sammy Awuku kasa no say exchange a email exchange between Senegal for and Ghana for no on Sammy Awuku no or was sa email exchange of emails no on information in now already on one statement on Facebook no more na at this point he said this yan kan we kan or say in an interesting twist, this same vessel has been arrested in Senegal for allegedly transporting illicit drugs after it sailed from the shores of Ghana. in email correspondence between Senegal and Ghana that I have cited. Or see, there's been email exchange between Ghana and Senegal for authority. No, on one case I have cited. Bro, for no case I have cited. I just the Nico or the email correspondence. No, or say Ghana Medical Authority denied that the vessel, despite flying under the flag of Ghana, is not registered in Ghana. In my capacity as a member of parliament for the good people of Okuapem North, the vice chairman of Parliament Committee on Public Administration and State Interest, I will be filing a request for information to the GMA for answers to the following questions. Into say onwangasa or a parliamentarian or to committee so na onwa be file RTI ono email la ohu ye no nani kwasua hu ye no e kire pefe se eye saa ship na be fa Ghana no na cocaine wo mu a ya nche no e ma ne kopie Senegal a ye che ship no. These are the questions. Vessel entry identification. On what date did the M. Sankofa enter Ghana territorial waters? What was the first port of call, docking for the vessel in Ghana? Under which national flag? That is Sankofa enter Ghana. Under which national flag did Sankofa depart Ghana? On what date did Sankofa depart Ghana territorial waters? Arrest and enforcement actions. Just I'll send the questions in Yunani into scandal BSC. This is Sammy Awuku. He went further to sit on City News. And creating on Wankasa ne scandal because he's bent by Omiama Kachiro say Omon China mon find it at Shrobingwa Bine so send a beya a ringi wa MPP for be trim normally an anti say Nesi Yachiko Kane into Samuel Ukum now their manufacturing scandal Osako City Echo Tuan and Semnoso.
The International Maritime Organization is underpinned by 4 main pillars. One, the international maritime, that's the maritime pollution, the safety of life at sea, the Maritime Labor Convention, and that's a standard of certification and watch keeping for seafarers. So the 4 pillars that underpins the International Maritime Organization, clearly if you look at the laws that goes with it, this particular vessel had violated it. The various fines that they were supposed to pay amounts to almost 12 million cedis. And Ghana had every right to detain that particular vessel. That particular vessel, strangely, was left to go. I am not too sure if the fines were paid. I'm not too sure under which condition did they allow this vessel to leave Ghana. And when the vessel was leaving Ghana, it was under which flag or state flag did it exit the shores of Ghana? Because as I told you, you cannot be stateless. It must be a particular country's flag or registry that you belong to. So this went quiet. This was July last year. This vessel went to Rome, like moved within the West African coast, and finally, before Easter, just some few weeks ago, this vessel was arrested in Senegal. When the vessel was arrested in Senegal, the Senegalese sent the Ghanaian authorities an email, and I quote, it says, "Dear Sir, Madam, Senegalese maritime authorities are currently monitoring the vessel MV Sankofa, flying the Ghanaian flag, suspected of involvement in drug trafficking." This was the email from Senegal to Ghana. Pursuant to Article 17, flag state authorization of the United Nations Convention Against Illicit Traffic in Narcotics, Drugs, and Psychotropic Substances, we request your confirmation that this vessel is registered in the National Maritime Register of the Republic of Ghana. If so, we urgently request your consent to conduct a vessel boarding, including document verification and cargo inspection. We would appreciate your prompt response and any specific instructions or conditions you may wish to provide. This was the email sent by the Senegalese authorities to Ghana. Ghana then responds and says, "We do not know this vessel. This vessel is not in our registry." But this was the same vessel that was within the territorial borders and waters of Ghana, violating all the maritime laws of our country, shipping laws of our country, left to go and now involved in international drug trafficking. So I have invoked the provisions under the RTI and requesting the Ghana Maritime Authority to formally furnish me with the details of the various questions that I
So
have
you
posed.
see, say in some occasion, it's based on email and even his own statement from the beginning. May a journalist number 2, I will just ask you, from your own statement, you said the vessel, when it left Ghana, it went to Rome, and finally ended up in Senegal. So if a vessel, even let's say a vessel about Ghana, and the two Ghana and go straight to Senegal, and a ship no echo Rome and a Senegal, and a young can say, almost a drugs woman. How can you sit in Ghana and say that vessel about Ghana no? Say because some Senegalese authorities say they suspect, they did not even say in the letter, in the email say we have intercepted this ship, we have basically docked the ship, all because we intercepted this amount of drugs in the ship. They are suspecting, meaning the Senegalese are questioning and asking. They don't even have the facts in post say ship no mo chin or Senegal no a draw woman I say draw him. Now if you yourself saying say ship no a free Ghana no, it's roamed for some time and ended up in Senegal. How can you conclude to say you are writing a letter to RTI? Now he's basing the statement to say the maritime authority responding to Senegalese and they say we don't know this ship. That is own thing. Now you cannot prove say ship was carrying, if even the ship was in Ghana, you cannot even prove say the ship was carrying any illicit drug in Ghana. So how do you go on radio? It won't say say journalists not smarter. The first question I'll ask you is, from your own comment, you said a ship left Ghana and roamed and ended up in Senegal. And they suspect that the ship is carrying illicit drugs. So what is the probability that this ship that came to Ghana had illicit drug on board? So you cannot sit in Ghana and conclude and start to say, now the maritime authority should give you a log of the ship because you believe the ship was here. You are writing to RTI to force maritime authority to give you information. It looks like you are stupid. You don't even know what you are talking about. Anka ship no a move free hano. If it had gone straight to Senegal, you would have said, okay, Senegal for Bekacho say we have intercepted drugs on the ship, and from the ship log or travel log, the last place that this ship moved from was Ghana. So that ship, that is why we are questioning. Now, for all you know, the Senegalese authority, they have written this same emails to 17 African countries because maybe the ship docked in 7 African countries before it ended up in Senegal. So on a normal day, every authority will be like, okay, if Yachis ship way or Senegal, now let's track the ship. Now they have a generic email. Ejina Togo, Ejina Cote d'Ivoire, Ejina Nigeria, and Abedu Senegal. Now let us write to all these people and track how the ship got here. So when you see an email like that, it does not automatically say the ship actually docked in Ghana, offloaded something, or maybe loaded something and left the shores of Ghana. Now the Ghana Maritime Authority is telling you that this particular ship wasn't in our territories. Now, when we say our water territories, a ship can pass through our territories without docking at the shores of Ghana. For you to go on radio to say, because of that scandal, but udim dia yapa, or no go to radio so misinform Ghana phone. That is what they do. The idea was that mamenko abontene, na menko misinforming kofo, na menko twa intro ento eyedien. Mamini nkan ko twa intro ento NDC for so. Me try intro ni wie na se your bloggers ne fa na your communicators no echo TV so no ko twa atro no fam atro no ho a ade chia I will do something simple into nim do ye okodi atro ni wie no ade chia no o say oh we release letter akoma eye RTI for adentira o say letter no otro by no ono ankasa redraw. This guy has no credibility. He's a criminal. These are people without any credibility. Into ende ade chia o say oh what letter now or trust say or recall, because before you write to RTI, it means you have your facts right. Now, this is what you wrote. Date national 13th of May 2026. 13th of April 2026. The Chief Executive, Ghana Maritime Authority. Obina na ono obusa maritime authority questions no. And Sammy Awuku asa actual letter come maritime authority say omunye bibi de na watro withdrawal of letter. Letter na otro na obusa questions no. Ono angaza sori no pass wa withdraw letter no. This is not a credible human being. This guy can never be an honorable person. This guy is a filthy liar. Now, they don't letter him. I write in my capacity as the Member of Parliament for Equiapim North constituency and Vice Chairman of the Committee on Public Administration and State Interest to formally withdraw my earlier correspondence reference MP 26026 dated 13th April 2026 and address to your office. I respectfully request that the said letter be treated as withdrawn with immediate effect and that its content be disregarded accordingly. I regret any inconvenience this may cause and appreciate your cooperation. Signed by who? Samuel Awuku, MP, Equiapim North Constituency, Chairman, Vice Chairman, Committee on Public Administration and State Interest. So you see, we didn't call radio so, we didn't show nyomegu Facebook, we didn't say a binding. Adechinya also let an outro and withdraw. Bonina wodi and we, and that is the strategy of the NPP. He's a horrible human being, and he was forcing a scandal. And this is what they are doing. And this is what Bawumia is telling them to do. Go out there, put some fake news in the system. Adechinya should letter because in some original radio so kind they are not going to see this letter, or they go about and this idiot will go and sit there and tell you say me honorable member. This is a criminal. He cannot be treated as somebody who is credible. Akwa radio to be a say yenya scandal be this is what is that. He's lying. That is what they are going to do from now. Okay, can somewhere was say, my withdrawal letter, no, and he did not apologize to anybody. This guy is supposed to come on national television, kneel on the ground, and apologize to the president and the whole of Ghana. Because, one, he has basically destroyed the reputation of the Maritime Authority around the world and destroyed the reputation of this government. Was say because whatever he did on radio, he did on social media, it is already out there. He's the vice chairman of that committee. Was say anything. We're creating impression that to the people team say Abano, they are holding or hosting vessels that carry illicit drugs, and that is not right. So why should we allow such foolish people to be leading us in parliament? Why should we allow this to happen? Okay, on some of your politics, the NPP are foolish. They are diabolic. They want to do everything possible to destroy John Mahama and embarrass people who have been given jobs to do. The idea is simple. Yengu Maritime Authority boss enumguase. Yengu Juma enumase. Na yen say about anything. Now we are there we now we can just say, oh, there's no problem. Then we sit here and hail you.
The NPP cannot be underestimated. You know it, I know it.